Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Screen is clean, finger dry, and your phone unlocked. Open Settings, locate Security or Biometrics, then tap Fingerprint to start enrollment. Choose a secure backup lock, PIN, pattern, or password, because Fingerprint Unlock requires fallback when sensors fail. Once done selecting backup, follow on-screen prompts to place the pad of your finger on the sensor repetitively. This initial sequence captures core fingerprint ridges for reliable matching later. Continue by refining the capture. You'll lift and reposition your finger many times so the system records edges and partial prints. Make small rotations and cover left, right, and top of the pad. This improves recognition across grips. Tap with steady pressure, not too soft, not slammed, so sensors read consistently. After the primary scan, add at least one alternate finger and enable fingerprint use for unlocking apps or payments if offered, because redundancy prevents lockout and speeds everyday access. Finish by testing. Lock the phone and unlock with the enrolled finger several times to confirm reliability. If recognition fails repeatedly, re-enroll that finger, because small positional gaps cause most problems. Make sure the sensor and your finger are clean and remove thick screen protectors or cases that misalign the sensor. If issues persist, restart the device and then reset biometric data. This clears misconfigurations and lets you start fresh so the sensor learns consistent patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.